This is our Digiskills LMS. Now we will learn how to study on this platform. As we will log into the LMS, the home will show to us. This is the course website where we can find the videos of the courses and other material to learn. Now the course website is open before us. Now this screen shows the course topics. Next screen is a frequently asked questions. There you can find different questions asked most frequently by learners. As this question is asked by the learner, which was the first film in history? Now we are moving towards Internet Links tab. This shows different website links for learners. This link will lead you towards different type of video editing. Now we are moving towards Books tab. This will show you different useful book links. The next and last tab in the course website is of completion criteria. This will show you the course completion criteria. The green part of the graph is showing you the learning activities, while yellow and red are the quizzes and exercises. Now we are at course topic tab. This shows topics week-wise. These are the first week topics. Green tick shows that the video is watched. This is the duration of video. These are the weeks. As we click on each week, it shows the topics of that week. You can see that the week 12 is highlighted with green color, which represents the current studying week. These red cross shows that the topic is not completed yet. Green is for completed topics and red is for uncompleted topics. As you click on a topic, the topic will open and video will start. This is an embedded part. Actually, video plays from YouTube. All the controls of video player are of YouTube. As you can see, the completion status is showing the red color cross, which means that the topic is not completely watched. If this is not marked as complete, your progress in this topic will remain nil. As you can now see that the topic is marked as green, which means that the topic is marked as completed. This is the link button to move to the next topic. This is the link button to move to the previous topic. These stars are to rate a video. This is the menu of LMS. This link is to move back to course website. Now, we are again at home. These are our current courses, while these are our previous batch courses. Towards left side of home there are notice board and my activities. This is the link to view notifications. As I click on a notification link, notification will appear on screen. This is the link and menu to view the progress of the courses. This shows my first course progress, while the other tab shows my second course progress. You can join 2 courses at a time. The graphs shows the progress timeline. The pink color graph show the overall score, while the orange color graph show the current score of the course. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel G Master Baba.